J&J Auto Wrecking YouTube channel. Today we're looking at a 2003 Chevrolet Suburban P3CE001. Let's go ahead and get the important part out of the way here. We bought this bad boy with some fire damage in the rear, but this was hiding underneath the hood here. 5.3 with a Magna Charger. This will be sold as a swap, motor, belt-driven accessories, ECU, and harness. You're going to get the blower with it. No transmission because she's 4x4. Terrible period correct early 90s wheels. Doors are a little bit rusty, so probably not going to have those for sale. We'll just get components on them. Let's get right to why this bad boy was totaled out. As an owner of one of these vehicles, I'd be pissed. This thing needs some carpet. I don't know if we were charging a battery back here or what. That's what totaled it. Let us know in the comments down below what you think that's from, but we got evidence of banding. I mean, somebody clearly cut this out, too. That is not, it was not burned that way. That's sad. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up, get some mileage, and take a listen to that blower. $184,489 miles. Take a quick listen here. Trailer hitch kit is hanging here. Suburban owners. Climate control is working well. I would really prefer some heat right now, but hey. Yep, doing its thing. The sounds of Saigon. Sunroof works. Still blowing really cold air on me. There we go. Alright, here we go. Load. Alright, CD player works. Let's go ahead and test out some windows. We'll start with the passenger side here. And the power door mirror. Let's see if it power folds correctly. Oh yeah. Old man blind spot mirror included, free of charge. Let's test out this passenger mirror. And the window, one more time for good measure. No auto up. Disappointing. Alright, works as designed. Seats, we're going to sell row by row. We'll have a nice first row captain's chair set, a center console conversion. We've done quite a few of these, so we'll get you all the parts needed to convert a bench over to captain's chairs. Second row has the highly sought after captain's chair option as well. So we'll get these pulled out and listed for sale. Everything appears to be functioning on them. Whoa, the camera is having a seizure. Now it's had a stroke. Let's see if it'll fix itself with one more flip. Alright, much better. Stroke over. That is going to lead us to the part of the video we're going to tear this bad boy apart. We will check back in here. It's going to be real quick for you guys and a couple hours for us, and we'll see what is left of this truck. Stay tuned. make noisily, we don't care. All right, we just got back from lunch and P3CE001 is all torn down and ready to get the heck out of here. Left a lot of body parts on this girl. She had some rust and we just don't sell junk around here. One more shot of that beautiful Supercharged 5.3 there. That thing is going to clean up very nice and make a really awesome swap for somebody. Hey, this is how they steal your truck in Detroit. They just pry the handle up and right there. I mean, there's both of them. Not a public service announcement for how to steal a Chevy truck. Not much left in here though, folks. Well, that is going to conclude this video of P3CE001, our Supercharged 2003 Chevy Suburban. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, follow the links down below in our description, bio, whatever the heck you want to call it. Head on over to our web store and purchase some parts. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching. Bye now.